salutations. Happy birthday, may your sky stay blue.
Can you believe you are 11 years old now? Wait, am I really throwing a birthday party for a YouTube channel? I need to think about my life. Yep, that's right, the Avrona channel is 11 years old. When did that happen? I have no idea. And I know I say it every year, but the past year has really been the biggest for the channel so far. Being able to finally go to exciting events such as Computex, and being able to work on projects with even guys like Android Authority. And I don't want to spoil anything, but I'm gonna be playing a fairly small part, but I will be helping out in an ad for one of the biggest tech companies in the world soon, so that's something to look out for. In terms of where the channel really is in the past year, it really feels like, for better or worse, it hasn't really gone anywhere. Quality-wise, and when it comes to just the ambition and the scale of projects, there's very much a ceiling that's been hit that we basically just have to wait around for the channel just to grow a bit further for us to be finally able to kind of reach. But still, seeing how great events such as Computex have been for finding new people to work with, I'm sure that's going to happen sooner rather than later. And overall, I mean, things are pretty much going well. I mean, I am definitely beginning to look into hiring someone to help out with the channel properly, so hey, you can expect the quality and quantity of stuff to increase even further. And of course there's stuff like CES and IFA coming up as well. The course has been set, and this year has just been about just sticking to that course. Nothing major has changed, it's just going through the motions and doing what it takes to finally get our channel to be, act as a proper channel and work as a proper channel. We've seen some big increase when it comes to subscribers, and the community has been fantastic. And then of course Years of Avrona finally became a thing. Granted, the schedule is all over the place right now, but seeing how much people like them, seeing how much I like them, and seeing how popular they're becoming, and how much YouTube is also pushing live streams right now, making them a weekly thing no matter what will be a huge commitment in this upcoming year. Even when I'm abroad, I'll try to make it happen. And yeah, we should probably talk about that. For the past few months, I literally lived more in Poland than I have here in England, and of course disrupted a lot. Granted, I'm still happy about how much I was able to do while I was staff. However, of course, it's still not the same experience as being here. And editing on my LG Gram, which doesn't even have a GPU, yeah, not fun. And the thing is, I'll be going there a lot more frequently. I'll be going again in just a couple of days' time to attend IFA. I'll be basically using our house there as a base camp for going to Berlin every single day. We've finally got Starlink installed, so actually uploading content will be much easier, and live streaming will be actually possible. And in general, a lot of investment will be made into making that place a proper secondary office where I can work, and it just basically works as if I'm working here. It's going to definitely take some time, but I'll be also living there a lot more frequently. And I'm definitely getting myself a better laptop or like some small portable PC or something, because I just can't edit videos properly on my current laptop. It's bad. So that's about it. So here's to the 11 years. I just realized I didn't put out a candle since the intro. There it is. So here's to the past 11 years, and here's to how many ever more. I don't know. I don't even know how many I have left in me. The candle's still hot. And of course, none of this would be possible without our patrons. I mean, come on, someone had to pay for this birthday cupcake. So huge thanks to Gavin Burns, Justin Rage, Ella Ronyak, Dev Panda, Bartosz Velka, Patrick Harrison, Not a Pseudonym, Meg Sumner, Shane Allcroft Lansby, Level Up, and Robert Sanders. But anyway, that's what it's. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.